about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
All right, guys, we're down at the waterfront in Kingston, Ontario. And here you'll see Shoal Tower. This was used as a fortification to protect the entrance to the Rideau Canal and the Kingston Harbor front. You can see it's still freezing here in March. Everything where all these boats are is all ice. Off in the distance, you can see the Royal Military College, where we train Canada's finest military officers. And then here is Kingston City Hall. Beautiful old building. And if you might know that Kingston actually was Canada's capital between 1841 and 1844, then they moved it to Montreal, and then it alternated back and forth between Toronto and Quebec until finally they settled on a little lumber town called Bytown, which is now known as Ottawa. But this used to be our capital for a very short time, the capital of the Canadas. And yeah, it's a beautiful downtown waterfront with this old historic building. And then of course with the CFB Kingston over there and RMC, it's a nice little spot. And we're gonna go check out a couple of restaurants and explore downtown. So welcome to Kingston. We'll check out this place and hope you enjoy the video. All right, guys, so we're down on Princess Street in Kingston. We just went into Crave Coffee House and they got some wicked baked goods and coffees and stuff. Unfortunately, due to COVID restrictions, they are at their capacity, so we're out here on the street. Anyways, we got this Easter egg macaron, and my daughter Brianna is gonna give this a shot, so let us know how it is, Brianna.
It's good.
It's really good.
Oh yeah, look, it's filled like a cream egg.
Oh, awesome. And she actually has a YouTube channel, an Instagram, and a Facebook, and they can find you at what, Brianna?
Not Your Basic Eats.
Yeah, so check out Not Your Basic Eats. She does like food tours. I think our first one was in Perth, but she'll be traveling all over once COVID's done. And she has a good Instagram and a Facebook page under the same name, Not Your Basic Eats. All right, guys, so we're gonna check out our second little treat that we got from Crave Coffee House and Bakery. And we got a gluten-free Nutella peanut butter cookie. So I'm gonna take the first bite of this one. Oh, garbage blown away. It's pretty good.
Can you tell it's gluten-free?
Not really, no. All right, so that was my first gluten-free cookie, and to be honest, you really can't tell the difference. It's absolutely delicious. So if you're in Kingston, you're down on Princess Street, and you're looking for a coffee and something to eat, check out Crave. Definitely worth your time. All right, so we're down on King Street, and Kingston's got about 150,000 people, and they have so many churches, and they're not just little wooden ones. They're epic stone churches with these big domes. They're all over. I'll try to get a few shots of them as we're going around town, but they have some of the most amazing churches here for a small town. Really quite nice. All right, guys, so we're down here on Clarence Street, and we just finished eating at the Kingston Brewing Company right here in this building. I'll leave you some shots of that. They have a fantastic burger. I'd say one of my top 10 probably in Canada. Amazing burger, definitely get it. And they have their own Big Mac sauce. And then here, Kingston still has an actual video store, which is crazy. But in this little alley slash carriageway, this is my daughter Brianna, there's a plaque here for Sir John A. Macdonald, our first Prime Minister. And basically the story says that he was out drinking and nation building and politicking, and this is where he used to relieve himself after that crazy night. And then it says those now famous words, John A. Macdonald, you're a nation builder, if we ever saw one. So kind of a little joke or a little play on words with Sir John A. Macdonald, our first Prime Minister. anyways, we're gonna carry on and go check out the rest of Kingston.
'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free.
Hey guys, so we're just down on Wellington Street, just off Princess Street, the main drag in Kingston, and we're here at Martello Alley. It's basically just a little nook here off Wellington, and they have all kinds of local artists that display their work. So we'll just take a little look around here. It's kind of a really neat, cool spot to come and check out. Kind of funky. There's a actual shop in here that you can go and look through. Yeah, they got this funky little courtyard, these old buildings. Kind of a neat little spot. So definitely come and check this out if you're in Kingston. Hey guys, so we're downtown Kingston at the intersection of King and Brock right here at the back of City Hall at Springer Market Square, and they have this cool outdoor free public skating. They clean it with a Zamboni, and it's completely free for everyone to come down. They got lights and everything around. But what I wanted to show you is they have this stone in the ground, and back in 2016 the Tragically Hip did their last concert here, and this stone is commemorating that, a national celebration, August 20th 2016, right here at King and Brock at Springer Market Square in downtown Kingston. So come check this out if you're ever in Kingston. It's a pretty neat little place, actually. So everyone in Canada is familiar with BEAVERTAILS, and we have them in Halifax. So I think they're coast to coast, but I've never seen so many than in the province of Ontario. And they actually have brick and mortar locations all over the place. It's kind of cool, and if you've never had a BEAVERTAIL, we'll definitely check that out. All right guys, so we're down here on Ontario Street at Confederation Park. We're just at the old train 1095. They got this beautiful Kingston sign right across from Kingston City Hall and the Prince George Hotel. So we're gonna explore this area. Brianna, why don't you jump in this Kingston side and show them how it's done? There you go. So we're going to continue on exploring this town. I think we're going to go grab a bite here at Diane's, and looks like our tax dollars are at work. Somebody's getting a ticket for illegally parking. What a great day. So anyways, we'll carry on. Hey guys, so we just finished lunch at Diane's. We had some wicked tacos and dirty fries. Anyways, we didn't realize it, but this place was on You Gotta Eat Here with John Catucci. So definitely check that out. This is Ontario Street, and they actually got these cool little tents outside. We were lucky enough to eat inside, but yeah, come check this place out and get the tacos. Highly recommend the tacos, or they also do some wicked barbecue in there. Hey guys, so we're just up at CFB Kingston, and we're standing here at the Royal Military College Arch, and it's 46 feet high by 42 feet across, and the cadets used to walk through this every single day, and they used to have to memorize all the information on it, and it is a war memorial. But then in 1979 they made a new entrance to the Royal Military College, and now the cadets only pass through this when they enter their stay at RMC and after they graduate. So kind of a cool little bit of history. Just wanted to show you that if you're into military history. And Fort Henry's just up the road. The arch is something iconic here. It's been around, I believe, since the maybe 1920s. I'll drop the original date below, but yeah, in the early 1920s it was built, and yeah, a lot of history here. Definitely a cool place to check out. Hey guys, so I'm up here at Fort Henry at Canadian Forces Base Kingston. I just wanted to show you out. It's a nice view of the water, and you can see downtown Kingston off in the distance. And then here's the Royal Military College down there. So quite a nice place. Maybe come visit in the summer when it's a bit warmer. It's a bit chilly out. We're sitting at -3 today, but beautiful views. Beautiful views of RMC and Kingston and the water. So yeah, just wanted to give you a little look off there, and quite a nice little spot, actually. Alright guys, so we just finished dinner at Miss Bao here on Princess Street in Kingston, Ontario, and I must say it was pretty good. It's over here in this green little building. So yeah, definitely check that out. I'll leave you with some shots of our dinner. It was fantastic, highly recommend it. And we tried soju for the first time. Definitely get in on that. And they also have a wicked cocktail menu. Hey guys, so I'm at Miss Bao with my daughter Brianna and her boyfriend Noah, and we just ordered this decent drink. It's Tom Yam Siam, and it's a vodka based drink with coconut rum, lychee, and Thai green chilies. It's super spicy but also sweet at the same time. Definitely check it out if you're in Kingston. Alright guys, so we're really getting into this restaurant Miss Bao here in Kingston. So we ordered a bottle of peach soju. So we're all having a few shots of soju, and then we got these bao buns. So we got, what do we got here? We got pork belly, beef, and lemongrass chicken. So we're gonna get into those, and yeah, we'll let you know how that is at the end.
Yeah.